Actually, the brain is our body's control center, managing thoughts, emotions, memory, and actions. So we need to train our brain. So today we're going to learn how to train your brain. So let's start. Well, first of all, you have to read every day. Read every day, at least 2 papers a day. Read every day. Then the next one is get out of your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone. This is the most important one. Get out of your comfort zone. Then keep a journal. Keep a journal. Keep a journal. Then exercise. Exercise every day. Exercise. Then you have to meditate. 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 And another important one is solve puzzles. Solve puzzles. Solve puzzles. Then you have to write down your ideas. Write down ideas. Write down ideas. And the last one is get a healthy diet. Build a healthy diet. So follow for more.